Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Surfers. So today's video is going to be very interesting. So today I will show you how you can remove those shortcut software icon from above the software. So this will be totally clean and fresh software icon. Follow the step-by-step tutorial. So to remove the shortcut icon, you have to follow those two codes. So firstly I am manually showing it and then I will show you a simple trick. So here you have to search Regedit and then click on it. So here from you have to click on this and then software, and here you have to find Microsoft. So here is the Microsoft, and then scroll down and you have to find Windows. So this is the Windows, and then you have to find current version. So this is the current version, and then find Explorer. So this is the Explorer. So you can also come into this option this manual way, or you can follow, or you can copy this code and go to Regedit and paste this code and click enter, and then this way you can also come into this Explorer option. So in the Explorer option you have to create a folder, right click Explorer option, and then new and K. So here you have to write capital letter S H E double L shell and capital letter I C O N S shell icon. So follow this text carefully. S is capital and I is also capital. So click enter. So in the right white box you have to click right button and then new and then string value. So click on it, and here you have to write 29 and then press enter. So and come into this site, and you have to copy this code. So I will provide those code and those code in the video descriptions. So copy this code and go to Regedit and double click on it. So enter the value box, you have to paste this value and then click OK. So minimize it, and here we have to search task manager. So here is the task manager, and then scroll down it. So in the Windows Explorer, right click on it and click restart. So look, this is showing totally fresh, and it has removed shortcut icon from all the softwares in the front part. So if you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join our others community. So thank you so much for your time.